Unboxing video, and this is a 5G Dreamcast, I'm sorry, Screencast. This will allow me to, whatever's on my phone, I can just play it on my TV. It's got multiple uses as far as platforms I can use this on. And I just hook the USB, and it's that flat. That simple. You got a top and a bottom, USB and HDMI cord. Hook it up, and I will be able to pass whatever on my phone. I can cast it right to my TV up there. And this is from Hager, and I will hook it up later on and put. This is just my unboxing video. Shout out to Hager. Alright, y'all. Peace.